In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Asana to organize your work. Let's start at the very beginning. Open Asana in your browser or the mobile app and either create a new account or sign in to an existing one. And if you're brand new, you'll be guided through a quick onboarding. Keep it simple. Use the email you plan to work with most and confirm your account so everything syncs properly across devices. Next, set up your workspace or team. Think of a workspace as your overall area for getting things done, and teams as groups inside it for specific departments or collaborations. Give your team a clear name and short description so everyone knows its purpose. If you're working with others, you can invite them now or later, whatever fits your pace. Establish who should be a member versus a guest so access stays tidy and secure. With your structure in place, create projects for your work. A project is where related tasks live, like a campaign, a client engagement, or an internal process. Pick a name that's unambiguous and add a brief description to set expectations. You can use a blank project or start from a template if you want a quick head start. Decide whether the project is private to you, shared with your team, or open to your organization depending on sensitivity. Now add tasks to bring the project to life. Each task should represent a single piece of work. Give it a clear title, add a concise description with any key details or links, and set an assignee so ownership is obvious. Add a due date to anchor the timeline, and if a task has multiple steps, break them down into subtasks. Subtasks can have their own assignees and dates, which helps prevent bottlenecks. Keep your task names action-oriented so you can scan them quickly. As your project grows, switch between views to match how you think. Use list when you want a structured checklist. It's great for grouping by sections. Switch to board for a Kanban-style flow where you drag tasks across columns like to do, in progress, and done. Hop into calendar to see deadlines across days and weeks and spot conflicts before they happen. And try timeline to visualize how tasks connect over time, adjust dependencies, and balance workload. Finally, track updates where they naturally appear. My Tasks shows everything assigned to you, sorted by date or priority. Inbox surfaces, notifications, comments, and mentions so you never miss a change. Use comments on tasks to ask questions and share updates in context. And check project dashboards for snapshot metrics that reveal progress at a glance. That's it. You're ready to use Asana with clarity and confidence.